Today is a big day. This 5-acre horse farm just officially closed today, and what's next is going to be a huge transformation.
Trying to find my way out. My heart, it wanders through the night, searching for the starlight, searching for the starlight.
This house has great bones, lots of land, and tons of potential, but it's definitely ready for a fresh start.
I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows.
Here you have 5 acres of open space, room for horses, and privacy that everybody dreams about. Right now it's a little bit rough, but that's where the magic starts. Brand new flooring, brand new kitchen, brand new bathrooms, everything is changing and it will be better than ever. Follow along to watch this horse farm go from fixer-upper to something truly incredible. This transformation is something you definitely don't want to miss.